Every great project begins with an idea. Our creative team designs compelling visuals and concepts that align with our client's brand and vision. Then, we make it real. From prototypes to production, every detail is carefully managed to ensure premium quality and precision. From prototypes to production, every detail is carefully crafted to meet world-class standards. We work closely with licenses and principals to ensure every asset is approved, maintaining brand integrity and creative excellence. With every approval, our marketing team crafts engaging campaigns that connect audiences, online, in stores, and beyond. We don't just build products, we build moments. We design, produce, and celebrate creativity, helping our clients create something truly unforgettable.